Hello guys, in this video I would like to discuss with you guys about a very important certification course which is called as Investment Foundations Program. In short, we call it as IFP. This is a certification course which is provided by CFA Institute, right? So let's see the details of this particular certification. Investment Foundations Program provided by the CFA Institute. Now, 93% of the certificate holders who have already completed this particular certification has given that we understood the broader picture about the industry, about the investment management industry. This is based upon an independent survey conducted by CFA. Now, what exactly is IFP all about? You can see on your screen that the Investment Foundation Program is it's absolutely free, a comprehensive global education program that is completed online. So this is a completely free module. You don't need to pay even a single buck for registration, examination, mock examinations, material. Everything regarding this particular certification is absolutely free, my dear friends. Now, who can do this particular certification? There is no minimum educational eligibility for pursuing Investment Foundation Program. Any student, the program is designed for all professional disciplines, whether it is within investment or outside investment. You need not be an accountant. You can be an engineer, you can be an architect, you can be an IT guy, and yet you can pursue this particular certification. Next question is, how do I go about and how do I do this particular certification? What are the steps involved in obtaining this particular certificate? There are 3 steps, my dear friends. The first one is to register with IFP through the CFA website. Second one is to complete 2 mock examinations, mock A and mock B, where you have to score more than 70%. Then you'll have to write the final exam, and if you pass your final exam, then you will be given the certificate. As you can see on your screen, there is no education or experience requirement. Upon registering for the program, you meet the following criteria. First one is you have to wait 30 days from the date of registration for writing the final exam. You have to achieve more than 70% in mock A. You have to achieve more than 70% in mock B. And after that, you have to clear your final exam. Next question is, what is the syllabus and what is the curriculum for IFP program? See, there are total 7 modules within IFP program, and these 7 modules will consist more than 20 chapters across the various horizons of investment management. Right? You can see on your screen here, module 1 is industry overview, module 2 is ethics and regulations, module 3 inputs and tools required for analysis, module 4 is investment instruments, various instruments like stocks, equities, debts, derivatives, all that instruments. Module 5 talks about the industry structure. Then 6 is serving the needs of the client. If you are a financial planner, if you are a financial advisor, how do you meet the needs of your clients? And 7th one is industry controls that are required. You can see the link here, cfainstitute.org/en/program/investment foundation. You can click on this link or you can navigate to this particular link and you can register yourself for the IFP program. If you have any further clarifications required or if you need further information or details about this program, you can contact us on this number which is displayed on your screen, 8328080730. That is our WhatsApp number, and you can contact us on that, or you can email us on info@globalphoenix.in, and you can follow us on our social medias, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook and YouTube, Global Phoenix. Before winding up this video, one small thing that I would like to tell all my students is that every student who have enrolled with Global Phoenix for financial management F9 paper of ACCA or AFM advanced financial management P4 paper of ACCA, if you have enrolled with us for F9 or P4, you will be given absolutely free coaching for this particular program. All the 7 modules, all the 20 chapters will be provided to you for free of cost. Right guys? So I hope you will be enrolling for this qualification certification, and I hope that you guys will be clearing this and you will be certified, right? Thank you guys. Keep smiling. Take care. Bye bye.